We're gonna begin by cleaning our tea leaf, both sides, and then we're gonna debone. You can do this with scissors, just a lot easier. And now we're just gonna be cutting parts, stripes here. And we're gonna begin a braid. We're gonna have, I choose twine. You can do this with the same tea leaves, like if you cut 2 long stripes and use them as braiding material, but I choose twine. You can also use fabric. I started by making a braid. I'm leaving about 5 or 6 inches to tie, and then we're gonna be putting these pieces in here. Use something heavy to hold onto your braid, that way you can do it a lot easier. And here we're gonna separate 2 strands to one side and keep the other one to the side. And then we're gonna grab our leaves and just pinch them here. You can use 1 leaf, 2 or 3. I'm going to be using 3. I'm just gonna be pinching them. And then here. So you're gonna be choosing the Chinese side. Make sure that you put them like a cross, so one to one side here, then you put the next one pointing to the other side, and the third one pointing to the middle. So you have them here, 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna bring the string across to the other side and fold the leaves underneath up. Once you fold them up, you're gonna hold this from here and begin the process again. And just repeat that until you have your desired length. This is how it should look on the back. And once you're done here, we're gonna tie it and continue a part of the braid so that you have the other side to tie it.
Oh,